Okay, get this here. This is not my usual setup over here. This has actually been set up for another project. Had a small issue that recently happened with my Apple Pencil. You know, I've had this since November 2016, and it's been a great device. It still is a great device. I've been one of those lucky guys who've never had to change the body, but unfortunately, my tip did break once. It's still a-okay now. But now my cap has broken. The cap actually has a metal ring on the inside that actually helps this stay secure when it kind of clamps back in. And listen, there's a magnet at the top of this, and also there's a metal ring. The metal ring keeps it from wobbling. So basically, I got a crack in the top part touching the ring. Then the ring fell out. After the ring fell out, that's when I noticed that, hey, I had an issue, because whenever I put my cap on, it just kind of wobbled around like, ah. So I had to buy another one, and I didn't want to drive all the way down to the closest city where we actually have an Apple store. It's just a waste of time to go down there for a $10, $15, or $20 item. It's kind of annoying to go down there and buy an inexpensive device when you can simply order it on Amazon and get the same thing or something similar. Now, this is the weird thing. I looked on Apple's website and I saw they had a lot of tips. I did not see caps. Why I didn't see caps is a mystery to me. I don't know, but for some reason they did not have caps. So I'm not gonna hunt around for 2 days trying to find a $5 to $10 cap. Ran to Amazon. Yep, I got the Crumbit. And just making sure something's actually in here. Because they sent me this huge thing, but there's like, you'll see in a second. You'll see in a second. Yep, that's what I thought. There's a single little cap in here. So, just gonna slit this open here. There we go. This is the unboxing of the Apple. Well, actually, this is the iPencil Cap 1P Original, made in China. Okay, that's cool. Let's see how well it fits. I mean, it looks good from my perspective. Looks good. Just gotta get this here and pop it on there. Oh! You know, I can't weight it because I don't have the other one, the ring anymore. But the size look almost exactly the same. Feels good. As good as it can be. I'm impressed. I got a new cap. I'm a happy guy. That's the end of this video.